brat doll slash drag queen. But I still like how it turned out. So if you like to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back. So today my goal is to do this. I have this pimple. Not cute. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing, you guys know that the Bratz thing is like it's actually a trend right now. It's been for a long time, but I want to do Bratz inspired makeup look. There's so many. There's like countless Bratz that are so freaking pretty. Okay, so I chose this one. You can't actually see her entire face. It's just like, oh gosh, you can't see that. Okay, I'll insert it like a picture right here. Oh gosh, I have this all like envisioned in my head, and now I'm like, okay, I have to hurry up because my camera, the Sony A5100, that shit heats up ASAP. So I've seen like drag makeup. I'm gonna try my best. So they basically just, I'm gonna cancel out my eyebrows because my eyebrows are low and Bratz eyebrows are like literally up to here. So there's that. And then with foundation, I'm gonna go in with Nars, and this is in the shade Syracuse. I'm going to work with two foundations. So I'm gonna get a pump of Fiona Styles and a pump of Nars, and then just blend the two. Okay, so just applying it all over my face. I don't usually wear foundation because I'm usually always in a rush, so I don't do foundation. And the last time I did it, I wasn't really feeling myself. But today, Brat dolls are flawless, so that is what we're doing. I hate that I got a darker shade. I usually go for medium, and this is tan. And I really want to have a white under eye. But you know what? We'll make it work. Whoa. Cody Airspun. Just going to, ooh, can you see that? That is some loose powder. So, this sponge comes with it. I'm just going to press it. Let me make sure that everything's well blended first before I go in. Because once you set with powder, there's no going back. We're going to cover the eyebrows. And I'm just going to dust off all of the loose powder I have on my face. So I'm just grabbing some product, really, really define. How can I cancel eyebrows out? This is not supposed to be here. I'm grabbing NYX concealer just because it's a really, really thick concealer. I feel like it'll work. Okay, so now that our eyebrows are pasted, kind of, I'm gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm gonna pick up this color right here and then just put it all over right there. And I'm just gonna drag it out. I'm gonna pick up this darker color right next to it. right here. And then just literally press it. This is Wet n Wild black. Just gonna draw our eyeliner. So this is the scariest part, because if they don't look identical, then you mess up that whole entire look. So let me just study how I went about. So the whole iconic part of the dolls, like their eyeliner kind of always goes inside and then it goes out. So that's what I'm going to try to do without messing it up. Braid crystal. Ooh. And just fill it in. And then to be more precise with the inner part, I'm going to grab Kat Von D tattoo liner and just going to drag that inwards. Oh God. I'm going to tight line with Pixie by Petra and Black Noir. This stuff is like super heavy duty. I'm sticking the lashes very close to my eyes right here, and then when it comes to the outer part, I'm just sticking it to the black eyeliner instead of my actual eyes. So I'm going to grab these colors again, and then just for the outer part of the eye. I just added black eyeliner on the outer part, and then I'm just going to take it in with this flat brush. So I'm grabbing Hula. I'm going to go with this little brush. It just came in a little Christmas set. And then I'm going to grab Gimme Sun from MAC. And okay, so she has extremely defined jaws. I'm just pulling it upwards like that. Blush, we're going to use Lancome in the shade Blushing Nude. We also want to add this like at the top part right here. Go back with Kat Von D in the shade Medium 57. And then just sharpen the hell out of it like that. And there we go. And then I'm just going to take more powder and put that right there. Now for the lips, I'm going to grab Cork. And then just, so they have like super big lips, but they're like super poker. So I'm gonna grab Cork from MAC and then just overline. NYX cream, soft lip cream. I can't say the name, but I have the name underneath. And now you just want to observe and slay, bitch. This is my favorite setting, slay hard candy. This is e.l.f. in the shade Apricot. Brat Doll's makeup look is really trendy right now. That's why I attempted this, but I don't feel like it came out looking like, yeah, that's just my point of view. That's how I see it, but I don't hate it, but I don't love it. I mean, I don't hate it, but it's just yeah, let me know what you guys think about it. And so thank you for watching. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video, and until next time, bye.